What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope everything you wish to accomplish in 2025 you get done. I know it's been a while. We had a lot of listings that we were gonna list, and then things fell through, so I wasn't able to get videos made. Like I've said before, all the boats on this channel are listings that we have here at Jarman Yacht Sales. We're going to try to start branching out this year. I really want to take this YouTube channel to the next level. So let me know in the comments down below what it is you want to see more of, what you want to see less of, and any kind of ideas that you want to contribute. Go ahead and leave them down below. Now, over the holidays, we got a call on a 1993 Searay 370 Sundancer. The guy that owns this boat is he's in the marine industry. He claims he's done a ton of work to this boat. I've only seen photos. I haven't gotten my eyes on the boat yet. So my plan with this video is to walk you through the boat together. If it makes it on YouTube, which I hope it will, then the boat was worth looking at. A couple more plugs before we get into the boat. I did want to say we did become a YouTube partner, so I do have channel memberships. So if you want to help the channel monetarily, you can click the link down below to join the channel members page, to the membership page. And basically you'll sign up for their different tiers and different rewards. I'm going to start documenting more on YouTube, boats that we've sold, boats that have gone under contract, and kind of give you a little bit more insider baseball there. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing and becoming a member down below. Now that's it for the monetary plug. Last plug. The other thing I wanted to say is if you think you have a boat that deserves to be on this channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let's get in contact. And I love making videos on boats. I love doing tours of boats. And there's a ton of you out there that like to educate me. So if you have something worth looking at and you want to educate me on, leave a comment down below and I'm sure we can get in touch. With all of that being said, let's go take a look at this 370. Like I said, I have not seen it before, but it is kept here at Seabrook Marina, where underneath these covered slips. So obviously when I heard 93, it's a little bit of a concern, but he did say he put brand new upholstery. Engines only have 400 hours on them. It's been a freshwater boat until it's been down here. It is closed cooled. If you click the link in the description down below, you will see photos of the engine room. I don't think I'm going to be able to get into the engine room today. Apparently it's not an easy task. But here is the boat. As you can see, it has brand new upholstery. I hope that you're able to see this. That is great looking upholstery. So you can see the Sundancer. So this is the older model of Sundancers. Leave a comment down below if you know when they did the switch over. I know Bruce does, BJ Yachts. He is the owner of Jarman Yacht Sales. And I know he knows exactly when they did the switch over. It is a very nice boat. I am very happy to see this. He did tell me that he has bow cushions, but they are like 10, 12 feet long and they snap all the way around there. So this whole thing does turn into a sun bench basically. You can lay out, get your tan on. The hull's in great shape. Gel coat's in great shape. For this age, which by the way, this boat is older than me. Let me know if you have a guess on how old you think I am, what year I was born. Boat does look great. I am very happy to see this. This boat will sell no problem. Here's the fact. I do boats that I can get my hands on. And like I said, if you have a boat that you think belongs on this channel, let me know and we can work something out and get that boat shot. Another little fun fact, so you can see here, hopefully it comes through. That is a Louis Delholme badge, and my dad actually got his career started with Louis Delholme, was good friends with Louis Delholme. Louis Delholme was a big mentor of his, and my dad is pretty sure he sold this boat new when it was on Lake Louisville, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, now that we've taken a look on the outside, let's hop on board and start going through. So you can see we do have buoy storage here, a small drop-down swim platform with a ladder here. All right, and that's gonna do it for the transom. You do have Kenwood stereo controls. All the speakers on this boat are brand new, and a rod holder here, a rod holder over there. And he does have a canopy that goes and connects here, kind of slants down the back. He does not have a full enclosure for this boat, although you probably don't need one, especially not here in the Texas heat. Most of the time, those things don't go on anyways. Brand new upholstery. Look at this. The stitching is great. Detail work is great. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Brand new speakers. These are RGB speakers. He sent me some photos where you can change the colors of those. Anyways, you have a sink here with an ice maker underneath. Some storage here, as well as a step ladder to go up front, which we will end the video up front so you can get a good idea of the bow space on this boat, which it is quite a bit, especially for a 37-foot boat. Close this transom door so you can get a better look. Have another speaker here. Engine access is under here. You have to remove all of this to get down to them, which is why I don't think I'll be able to. He also has a couple 12-inch subwoofers down below that are fiberglassed in. He said they were, said it's not the loudest, but it might sound the best on the lake. So we'll put an offer in. Let's see, trial it, because I want to hear it. Anyways, a little bit more cubby storage here. Ladders, ladder drop down here. He said he took the generator out of this boat. He does do marine generators, ACs, that kind of work. And he was going to do lithium batteries. And I think he's going to go back to the generator because he sold it. He's decided to sell it before he finished the work. Like I said, brand new upholstery. Have a little bit of sliding glass here with some storage. Move this big old rainbow trout. And cup holders. Oh, that's nice. Put your bottles there. Get your drink on. For the ultimate party lake boat. Plenty of storage on this boat, lots of places to hide things you might need or want to grab easily. More storage down below. Let's keep moving. Get a look at this great upholstery. Looks great, especially the color scheme. As you can see here, this bimini top up top is brown. It's like a dark brown that matches perfectly with this. Cup holders. This is nice. Like I said, I have not been on this boat. We are walking through it for the first time together. Brand new Garmin display, which is not on. He did say everything on this dash is brand new. So you can see all the gauges on here do look brand new. He's got cameras on here. This is our RGB controls for your speakers here. An electronic Garmin readout. Let's see. Okay, it's an electronic compass with depth and speed on there. That's pretty neat. Windlass controls. Obviously, your shifters, throttle, trim tabs, steering wheel, which is nice because on the newer models they put that wood. I'm trying to remember the name of it, but anyways, this is wood and it always cracks. I'm sure you've seen it before. If you've been shopping searays, you have definitely seen it before. And some switches, all of which are legible, which is nice, and a little bit more storage down below. And I think that will just about do it for the helm and cockpit area. One last quick look before we head down below and take a look at the interior of the cabin. All right, as we go down into the cabin, let me just flip on all the lights here. We're getting real close as I get this camera in here. Let me flip on all the lights. I'll flip you all around, and then we'll take a look at this cabin. My first impressions, it is very, very clean, especially for the age. Y'all are gonna wanna stick around to see this. All right, we're just gonna do a quick pan around the cabin so you can see this boat is in great shape. I mean, it looks fantastic. And I do believe it is priced to sell. This will be one of the first cruisers of the year to go. I am sure of it, because look how clean it is and it has been well maintained. Like I said, the guy is in the marine industry, so this is what he does. He is a boater to the core, works on ACs, generators, that kind of stuff. Anyways, we're gonna do this tour just like we do all of them. We're gonna start here. We're gonna work our way around, and we're gonna hit every nook and cranny that I can think of, and let's get into it without further ado. Opening up this panel here, we do have your standard panel. You can see pretty standard stuff. Pause it if you want a better look at any of it. Opening it up, this do have a little bit more storage. And oh, that's pretty nice. A little trash receptacle that's built in here. Keep your trash out of the way. That is a nice touch. You do have two stairs going down into the cabin. Looking over here to the galley, cabinetry. Up top, Plenty of space, paper towels, cup holders, built-in coffee maker, more storage here. Looks like another trash receptacle was here. Plenty of counter space. Deep sink, stainless steel faucet. You do have a 3-burner stove top, as well as a pretty good sized fridge here. All of this is working. I asked him if anything on the boat is not working, and he could not come up with anything. Tell me that is not working. Under sink access. Do have a convection microwave stove here, stainless steel, as well as drawers for silverware and other kitchen utilities. Did see some switches here. Let's see. Some accent lighting switches there, and a blower here in case you're cooking up something spicy. Got to get that air moving through here. All right, moving forward, we're going to move forward to the head. Taking a look inside the head, you do have oversint storage here. Hide all your toiletries. I'm not gonna, oh, there we go. Hide all your toiletries up there, as well as a mirror. Hello, it is me, Mullane the broker. Mirror here. Sink with under sink access here. Interesting thing is it's not a complete wet head. You do have a separate shower and shower door. There's your shower head, obviously. Your faucet's over there. But it is with the toilet, so I guess it is kind of a wet head here. That is a vacuum flush. You do have a curtain covering this door, and this here closes to seal off the shower from the rest of the head. Light switch and exhaust fan switch there. That does it for the head. For a 37-foot boat, that is nice. Usually you're having to get up into the 40-foot range where you get a separate shower and a separate head. Anything in the 30 to 30, anything from the 30 to 40-foot range, you typically just get a wet head. So that is quite a nice feature. Okay, continuing forward into the master berthing, the forward V-berth. We have a couple stairs here with some drawers and some tall hanging lockers here behind the mirrors. Great use of space. Plenty of storage with automatic lights. That is nice. You can hang quite a bit of clothes up there. And a little bit of accent lighting up above. You do have port windows, porthole windows here, and a couple more on the other side. A nice big bed. This does look like about queen size. You could easily get 2 people on here. Could easily get 2 people on here, no problem. Sorry, I thought somebody was getting on the boat. Do have light controls here and AC controls here. Another speaker up top, so you can get some mood music going. Set the mood in here with the mood lighting. AC vent and another speaker. I just wanted to show you. And charge your phone and electronics here. Place some Marvin Gaye and really set the mood in here. Anyways, this used to be a TV nook back when you had the all-in-one TVs, the big box style TVs. Now you're not really going to get a TV in there because everything's widescreen, and this obviously will not fit a widescreen. But he's got the next best thing, which is bottles of liquor. It's a good place for it. Don't even have to get out of bed to start your day. If that's what you're into. Anyways, down here, a little bit more storage. Does have automatic lights. As you can see when you open that, those lights do kick on. Nice feature there. And some more cabinetry drawers down below. Do have an AC system underneath the bed. That is the intake for that. Moving on into the salon. He's got his flat screen here. More cabinets and storage here. Does not lack storage at all. You have your radio there. More cabinetry up top. And a nice large salon couch here. You can fit 3, 4, 5 people. Obviously, depending on how much you like each other, you can load this boat up. And plenty of seating. Light switch back here. Let's see, I did not hit this light switch. There we go, a little bit more accent lighting, which makes this place look great. Those do look like portholes, however, they are windows. or not, they do look like port windows, but they are actually mirrors. Do have more overhead storage here and a little bit of access to some electronics. I don't know if you can see back there because of the lighting. Access to your electronics on your helm, as well as an AC vent there. So if you are taking a nap on this couch here, you can blast yourself, wake up with a dry throat. This does pull out, so you can add a little bit more privacy. It's kind of like a dividing wall here. To close this part off, and then back here, which can be converted into an aft berthing, you can have a curtain rail here where you can pull the curtains back and really close this place off. Give your guests some privacy. If you do have guests or small children staying, this would be a good place for them. There are fill-ins to make this entire thing a berthing. This is brand new upholstery in here, which looks absolutely fantastic, matches the boat very well. Moving on to the finer details, you do have shelving space here, a mirror, which does have more hanging locker room behind, but I'm not going to move all his decorations to move that, so use your imagination. And cabinetry, obviously. All right, we're going to keep scooting back here. AC controls there, that is the original AC thermostat. Great upholstery all the way through. Have some reading lights up there, as well as, I don't know if you can see it, but you do have some plugs there. So this little aft berthing here offers plenty of seating. I'm about 5'10", 5'11", and I have plenty of headroom sitting down. So you do have to duck a little bit to get out, but it is not bad at all. You can get in and out of there, no problem. It does offer a ton more seating than you would have without it. With all that being said, I think that does it for the inside of this boat. I think I hit everything. Like I said, this is the first time I've been on this boat, so we're kind of just looking through everything together. The boat is in great shape, brand new upholstery inside and out. Gel coat looks great, deck feels solid, everything on the boat is running. Like I said, he's putting a new generator in there. But if you jump on this deal early enough, I guess you could get lithium batteries instead of the generator if that's the route you wanted to go. With all that being said, let's go check out the front, check out how much bow space this boat has. I know it has a ton. These searays always offer a ton. I just wanted to get a quick video out there, start 2025 off right. This channel is absolutely going to take off. I'm going to be dedicating a ton of time, energy, and effort into it. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see. Consider becoming a member. Let's go check out the front of the boat. All right, climbing out into the front. We do have walkways all the way around. Handrails. Let me see if I can get a handrails as you move forward, and railing on the side so you don't fall off. Plenty wide enough to get up here. Just got to have your sea legs. And I did say earlier he has the bow pads, which he does. You can see the snaps here to see where they all go. Said they are long, brand new. He said they're just big. And if you leave them on, it can trap moisture in the bow pad, and it can trap moisture in the fiberglass, which will lead to a soft deck. And you do not want that. That is not a good thing to deal with. But this deck is completely solid because he does not keep his bow pads up there. Anyways, here is your electric windlass. Anchor locker access is behind the forward V-berth, so you can get to your anchor locker. I'm just going to do a quick panning shot of the deck so you can check it out. Plenty of bow space to hang out. This was always my favorite place to hang out when my old man was at the helm. Now I don't get to hang out at here as much because every time I'm on a boat I am working. And your water fill up here is right here. If you're wondering about fuel capacity, water capacity, gray water capacity, all of that, all of those details are in the ad. So if you click the link in the description down below, you can get the full details, full photos. And if that still does not satisfy you, you can just leave a comment telling me what I forgot, and then when I respond, you probably won't read it. Anyways, all right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. That is going to do it for today. Welcome to 2025. I wanted to get a quick video out there. We are listing a few more boats, so I do have some pretty special ones coming up I am really excited about. I know I teased some other videos coming up in the members tab, but those listings fell through. I can only shoot videos on listings that we have and owners that agreed to let me onto their boat. But we're going to be shooting a lot more, so make sure you're subscribed. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. It would mean the world to me if I could reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you are not already, I think 97% of my viewers are not subscribed. That would mean the world to me. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. If I disappoint you later on, you can always unsubscribe. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next one. Look forward to next week's video. Should be a Searay 500, and that's all I got.